Hello everyone, this is Nai Chan. Hello, my boy na na chan o ihoi tamang ka bu cho nyu nyan o. Okay, let's start cooking bitter melon. Bitter melon in Mien called putat im. Are you guys ready to cook this with me? Let's get started. You can use the oil of your choice, but here I'm using lard. And I put a lot of garlic in my stir fry because I like garlic, but if you don't like garlic, you don't have to put it. Hai za na ma bo long hanyum he tu nyam pa yi se long tung he ma hyung long hanyung pa ha tung he cho ta ka khu te o elina fu na ma bo oi an tu nya om pa yi na yi oi fu nya ha yi cho hanyung yen ta an fu nya. This dish right here back in the day when they cook is very basic. They don't use garlic, they don't use MSG. It's an chang lai na hang bu chin dang tam yen cho pum bu nya non tam an peng nua an di wa phun pa i chan a bu yem ni ku ta pung na ta bu nyan ko ha mai peng nua na ke hai chang im nya li an tien peng nua li na hai ka khu. I like my bitter melon to be a little bit soft, so I will cook it for 2 to 4 minutes. But if you don't like it soft, you can cook it faster. Hana ma bua onion patat im mau no ma bua chao lao te ham bua ma onion mau no bua chao xiep nya and chao tang tua. This dish right here is very simple, very easy, but packed with deliciousness. Give it a try and let me know. And I will see you guys again on next video on cooking Mien traditional food. Bye everyone.